All right, we're going for a quick test drive here. The car has 3,453 miles on it. The steering wheel's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy. Alignment's perfect. Car shifts nice and smooth. Gorgeous interior. Got a really nice turning radius there. That is not full throttle, just enough to get up and go. Kind of listen to the car and hear the shifts. Absolutely no complaints with this car. It drives perfect. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So this car is fully protected in PPF paint protection film from front to back. Now starting with the front right wheel, when we scan through here, I don't see any curb rash. It's all in great condition. Got the gloss black calipers. Carbon ceramics look amazing. Got the Ferrari valve stem cap here. And then it's rocking the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s. And then looking at that fender, looks absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, full body PPF. Here in the side mirror. Now you're gonna have a couple bubbles in the film every once in a while. A-pillar looks amazing. That roof looks good. All of this is absolutely gorgeous. Looking at the door. Got the carbon here on the side skirt. All of that looks amazing. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Full carbon in here. Then looking at this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Got the carbon on the center caps. There's really nothing to pick apart on this side. All right, scanning the front here. Like I said, full front clip PPF. That hood looks amazing. Kind of scanning the edge here. All of that looks good. Headlights look amazing. You're gonna have tiny little imperfections in the film here and there. A couple bubbles. I do see a little scuff right there. That's just in the film, it looks like, not in the paint. Absolutely gorgeous. And we're going to scan underneath the car here. All of that carbon looks amazing. I don't see any rash there. I don't see any rash here. Oh, that looks good. That looks amazing. That's perfect. I don't see any rash underneath. All right, let's scan the driver's side. Got a couple tiny rock impacts on that film. Fender looks good. Checking out the wheel. Zero curb rash on it. That looks good. Door's nice and clean. That mirror looks good. You have a tiny bubble right here in the film. Other than that, looks good. Kind of scan that roof. Beautiful. Door looks amazing. There's really nothing to pick apart so far. Wheel looks good. This side is beautiful. All right, scanning the back side here. We'll start up here. Got the carbon there. Spoiler looks good. That carbon's clean. We'll check out the engine bay in just a moment. All of this looks good. I don't see any flaws. There's really nothing to pick apart here. And scanning the engine bay here. Just kind of scan through some of this, kind of get up close. Absolutely gorgeous, all the carbon. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker and it smells amazing in here, and it is absolutely gorgeous. That looks good. Scanning this upper section. Nice and clean. All of that carbon looks perfect. All of that looks good. Ceramic coated. Looking at that bolster, looks perfect. You have the tiniest spot of wear right there. Upper section looks good. Bottom looks amazing. Steering wheel looks good. All of that's clean. You have the tiniest little imperfection in the leather right there. That looks good. See a little bit of wear on that button edge. And on that button edge, the dash looks good. You can see a little bit of wear on the edge of that button. Besides that, everything else in here looks amazing. All right, here on the front right door panel, upper section looks amazing. All that Alcantara is nice and clean. That lower section looks perfect as well. Oh, that's nice and clean. Looking at that bolster, that's in amazing condition. I don't see any scuffs or any wear. Just kind of scanning through that seat. I don't see any imperfections there. Floors look good. All of that looks good. Underside of the glove box is clean. Upper side of the dash looks good. Beautiful headliner. All right, and then all of this is included as well.